Welcome. This video is designed to cover some helpful information on taking tests and quizzes on Sakai. Of all of the tools, the Tests and Quizzes tool is designed to have multiple settings, formats, and functions. This highly customizable tool will vary from class to class at the professor's discretion. This variability can be confusing, but there are a few formats we will go through from the perspective of the student. Prior to discussing the different formats, it is important to note a few best practices when taking a test on Sakai. First, make sure your computer has enough battery for the length of the test. Make sure it's plugged in and that you will not have a problem. Second, make sure that you're using a wired Ethernet connection. USB to Ethernet cables can be purchased, which will allow a computer without an Ethernet port to access the internet. Wi-Fi signals could be interrupted by environmental factors, which can lead to a loss of data or a complete loss of all information in the test or quiz. Third, remember to manually save your test, as Sakai will log out a user if they aren't active for long enough. Now, the first test that we will be reviewing is actually the simplest. You will also notice that there's no way to return to a previous question in this type of test. So when you select Begin Assessment, answer your question and know that you cannot go back to it. The nice thing is when I click Next, it automatically will save that question. So even if I have a power outage or an internet outage, I don't have to worry. The information is saved. In other formats, this is not the case. Also on this question, I've been asked to enter my rationale. After I'm done, I'm going to submit for grading. Another pop-up will come and I have to click that one also. And then I have to click Continue. Now my quiz has been turned in, and I will show you the next version. This is a long form. This could be multiple questions on a single page that you scroll through. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a timer bar at the top of this quiz. This is because it is a timed assessment. The second thing you'll notice is a different type of question type. These can be equations or they can be fill in the blanks for word problems. When doing an essay, because this format loses your data, it is best to save regularly. If you're doing an essay, though, you can also write in a different program and copy and paste. Some formatting may be affected, so try and use as little formatting as possible. Once you are done, it is the same as the other test. Submit for grading, continue. With both exams turned in, I just have to wait for my grades now. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. For questions or suggestions, you can email us at sakai@fsmail.bradley.edu. Once again, thank you, and have a wonderful day.